Hello students, this is teacher Teresa. We are reading the third lesson named A Day with Nandu of Standard 4th EVS. We are continuing with the third page today. Let's begin by reading. The topic is fun and games. Nandu saw his brothers and sisters pulling each other's tails. So now Nandu is playing in the water. He sees over there his brothers and sisters. They are his siblings. Now brothers and sisters are known as siblings. So what are they doing? They are pulling each other's tail. He thought, I better not go near them. So he is thinking, I should not go near them. What if they fall on me? So they are elder than him, so they are bigger in size, so he is scared to go closer to them. I am still small. So why he is scared? Because he is still small and he doesn't want to get crushed by his elder siblings who are bigger in size and they are playing in the water without seeing where Nandu is. He quietly went and stood near his mother. So, because he did not want to get crushed by his siblings, he went and stood beside his mother. Now, who is mother? Amma is the mother. Amma gently pushed Nandu towards the water. Now, here she is gently pushing him. That means slowly pushing him forward so that he can go and play in the water. As if she was telling him to go and play. Now Nandu is scared. He doesn't want to go and play in the water. But Mama, she is encouraging him to go and play in the water. She is helping him to go and play so that he will enjoy. Otherwise he will come and sit in the corner. Will he enjoy? No. So he has to be brave. He has to go and play. Nandu loved to play in the water. See, here Nandu loves to play in the water. And will he stand aside looking at his siblings playing and enjoy that? Of course he's not gonna enjoy that. His cousins were already there. So his cousins were already playing in the water. Just as he reached near, a strong fountain of water fell on his head. So just as he reached near, he went little close. A strong fountain. Strong fountains mean a big fountain of water fell on his head. He got wet. So that was funny. He got wet. He enjoyed water and he got wet. This must have helped him to go and join his siblings. Oh, this was the work of his naughty cousin. Nandu joined them in the game. So this was the work of his naughty cousin. Who threw the water on him? His cousin threw the water on him. So Nandu joined them in the game. So he also went to play in the water. Now here you can see a picture of Nandu and his siblings playing in the water. See how well they are all enjoying. Now if he would have stood aside beside his mother, would he have enjoyed all this? Not at all. So he had to go and play in the water. So now you can see how well he is enjoying. So now we have reached to the 24th page of your textbook, the very top part of it. Before sunset, the herd started back towards the jungle. Now the herd started going back towards the jungle. They had to return back home. By then Nandu was very tired. Now Nandu played a lot in the water and he got tired. You remember when you went to water park? You played so much and then when we were returning back home, you went to sleep. Same way Nandu was also very tired. He wanted to just reach home and go to sleep. He settled himself between his mother's front leg and fell asleep as he drank her milk. Now since Nandu was a small baby, he drank milk of his mother. It is very necessary for the baby elephant to grow. So as he fell asleep, he drank her mother's milk. You have read about Nandu and the elephant herd. Now here you have read about Nandu and the elephant. An elephant herd has mainly females and baby elephants. That means there are not many male elephants. There are mainly females. That means most of the members are females and baby elephants. The oldest female is the leader of the herd. The oldest member means like the grandmother. In your family, the oldest member is your grandmother or your grandfather. So here the oldest member is Nanima. So the oldest member is the leader of the herd. A herd may have 10 to 12 female elephants and young one. So one herd contains 10 to 12 female elephants and baby elephants. That means young one. The baby of an elephant is known as a calf. Male elephants live in the herd till they are 14 to 15 years old. So male elephants live only till their age is 14 to 15 years old. Then they leave their herd and move around alone. So after they have reached the age 14 to 15, they get separated from the herd and move around alone. Nandu will also leave his herd when he is that old. So Nandu is also not gonna stay long. He will stay in the herd till he is 14 to 15 years old, and then he will leave the herd and go and live separately. Now as you can see here, there are some exercises which are given over here. I will be giving you the answers of these exercises in JPG, in an image, so you can write all those answers in your textbook in neat and clean handwriting. Okay, so these all answers I will be sending you. I hope that you all learn from this video, and have a nice day. Thank you.